Hi all. In this video session, we'll talk about how we are going to develop a GUI application using a Python. So far, what we are doing is we just doing it and part of server side logics which we are implementing it, and we are calling those them using an endpoints using Node.js or some other frameworks like. So now, how we are going to develop a UI part using a Python program. So we have a library called tkinter. This is what the library we have in the Python. This tkinter is nothing but a tk interface. We'll talk about this framework. This is tkinter. Just a minute, and just to give you some more. Tkinter. This is the framework we are going to use it for GUI program in Python. So this tkinter library is the standard Python interface to the TK-UI toolkit. So both TK and tkinter are available on most on Unix platforms as well as Windows platforms. So this TK interface is basically using for designing of UI application like placing of a text box or placing of a button and creating of a window. So this tkinter is a Python binding to the TK-GUI toolkit, as I told you. So it's standard Python interface to the toolkit, and using this tkinter module or library, so we can develop different kind of controls and place on the window and show that window on Unix and Microsoft operating systems. So to get this this model working in Python, we need to install it. So using pip install tkinter, if you run this command on your command prompt, then it is going to install this tkinter module into your current selected folder. That way it is going to be get all the toolkits from the tkinter module. So using that particular tkinter module, you just import all the methods and properties, and use them in the Python program to create a window. So let we see let us see like how we are going to create this. I already installed this one, so I think I don't need to run it again. So I'm just creating a file here, demo UI.py file. So here I'm just importing this tkinter, like from tkinter import start. This way I can import all the methods from tkinter interface, and if you directly use this window, it will automatically comes out here. So we need to assign this tk GUI main method to the window object, and then you use window dot something like title as demo of Python UI development. Okay, and then you just call the main method, that is main loop, which is going to the start opening of this window with the title. Okay, I just what I did is I just imported this module into my Python file, and I just created instance for this tk, so where it holds the all the methods. Okay, and then title I'm setting it, and then calling the main loop. So after writing of this program, just run it, like run Python file, then it displays UI like this. So this is my window. I've given the title as demo of Python UI development. So, and then I just open this window using main loop, then it automatically opens. Okay, this is how we are going to create GUI interaction using a Python program. Okay, now if you want to place any command or text box, simply what you have to do is you just put it using the window command. Or if you want to set some color, let's say like background color, I want to set it. I say configure of the let's say like background color. The property is background, and I say this is something equal to black. Save it and just running it. Okay. Just running this and getting it right. So this is how I'm going to apply my background color to my window as block here. This you can change it to your own color like green and just run it. It displays color as it is. So like that you set up all the window related properties as well, and that way you can configure all the window attributes, and you can see how it is rendering on the UI. Now, I just want to put some, the text box here. So how I'm going to put it. So if you want to put some text box on window, you just use entry here, like, here, like text entry equal to entry of, window, and my width is something like 60. And the column name I'm going to specify. I think this is not required. And the background color I'm specifying white. Just create it. And this thing I'm specifying text entry dot. So grid. So I need to specify rows and columns. So which row I want to display this, and which column I need to display this. Column equal to something called T, and sticky. This is the command which is sticky control to your window. Okay, once you've done this, just open it, creating a text control, and run this, and you see how your text box is coming. This is how my text box is coming here. Okay, this is how we are going to create text box control. Similarly, if you want to create a button also you create using button of window, and text I can say this is submit, and I can say like width is something 6, and command click event. If you want to specify here, you specify click event here, click. So again, grid of, I need to specify row is 2, column is 1, again sticky equal to W. So after this, if you run this, again you see the button also here. So click is not defined. So we have to define click event here. So I'm just going to define my method here. Def. So here I mentioned my click event, right? So I have to define my click event here. Click function. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to print something, or I'm going to say let's see. Now if you run this, you will get it. When you click on this, it seems message is not defined. So what we have to do is you do like print here, right? We'll see like how it is going to respond. Otherwise, we'll assign to text box control. Okay. You look at here, my hi message has been printed on console. If you want to put some value into text box, that also you can do it. Like we'll see how we are going to do. So just commenting here and typing, coming back, enter, like, or else I will get the some ID like text ID equal to text entry get. Okay, I'm assigning this string into something. Okay, output dot insert of end comma some. Welcome to demo. So what it will give is, it will give you the ID here, but I'm not using it here. It seems enter text. Okay, text entry. Output insert something. So I think what we should is something. Let's see like what it is doing. Okay, output is not defined, so we have to define output as well. I think for the text box, it seems we have to define the something. So I'm just using this. So what we have to do is we'll place this output entry here, because we use this text entry, right? We will keep this outside list and it's like it. And yeah, this is how I run. Like so what I did is I'm just, this is for the global variable, because I assigned the text control instance to this text entry. So directly I'm inserting the text to this particular thing. Okay, this is how we are going to develop a sample application and place the required controls on this GUI part. So like that, you, if you want to put different controls, just put it using different controls here. If you want to put photo, and we have command photo image. If you want to keep label, we have a label. So all the controls we have here, so you can use it to all the controls. List box and checkbox, if you want. So all the things you can use it, and all these things can be placed on this GUI, and you can interact with the GUI by putting some event. Okay, so what you have to do is all the functions which you are binding to your buttons should be declared before your control. That way it is recognizing it has some click event in it. No, it validates the compiled Python compile. Okay, so this is what the syntax of creating of GUI. So what I did is I just imported this TK inter. This is what GUI toolkit for interacting with GUI part and creating instance of TK GUI toolkit, and putting title and configuring background and assigning all the controls to my window object, and then calling my loop. Okay, this is what the syntax of now creating the window in the GUI in Python program. So that way we can create a GUI interface. Okay, thanks for listening to this video, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos on Python program. Thank you.